king, you know it. King already, you know it. Top everything, you know it. King already, you know it. My body so on a king body. Body gon' shine, bling, bling body. Calling all the shots, ring body. Crown on your head, got a king body. Only with king, you a king.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Berlin. On this video today, I am going to be retightening one of my clients' hair by using a 4-point rotation. So before I start the retightening, I always spritz the hair with a little water to be able to clean the parts. Also, some of my clients are very tender-headed, so this helps with it. So the rotation that I am using is 12, 9, 6, 3, and I'm going to stop at 12. So I put a picture of a clock just so you can see exactly what I am doing. This is what helped me in the beginning when I first started interlocking. So if you notice the clock on the right hand side, you see the 12, the 9, the 6, and the 3. And then you're always going to stop at 12. So that way the lock is facing downwards. I retightening from row to row. And what I'm doing, I isolated the lock just so that the lock that I'm working on, none of the hair surrounding it will pull into the lock. And I started with the 12. I'm going into the 9, 6, 3, and back down at 12. Sometimes you might still have a little space in and you can't do a full rotation. So I'm going to go in 9 and down at 12. I do clean each lock in between each locks so that way that the parts are neat. So I'm doing the little twist again, back in at 12, 9, 6, 3. And if you notice, every time I go into loop, I give it a soft little tug. That way that I can have tension on the lock, not necessarily on the scalp, but on the lock itself. That way there's no holes in the locks. And then I'm just going to wrap the hair around, the loose hair around. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. I also hope this video helped you guys. And if you guys have any question, please don't forget to comment down below. And also share this video with someone you think that might need help doing this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share.